books for the culinarily curious.
The National Weather Service in Blacksburg has issued a severe thunderstorm warning for central Rockingham County in north-central North Carolina, eastern Stokes County in north-central North Carolina, and western Caswell County in north-central North Carolina until 5:45 p.m. At 4:54 p.m., Doppler radar indicated a severe thunderstorm capable of producing quarter-size hail and destructive winds in excess of 70 miles per hour. This storm was located near Yanceyville, or 15 miles southeast of Danville, and moving west at 55 miles per hour. Locations impacted include Wentworth, Madison, and Yanceyville. Severe thunderstorms produce damaging winds, destructive hail, deadly lightning, and very heavy rain. For your protection, move to an interior room on the lowest floor of your home or business. Heavy rains flood roads quickly, so do not drive into areas where water covers the road. Torrential rainfall is also occurring with this storm and may lead to flash flooding. Do not drive your vehicle through flooded roadways.